Live. Hello, and this is Andy. We're having an art tutorial live request, and we've got our special guests, Christina and Grant. Thank you. And
Hello.
and we got a dog behind you. What's the name of the dog? Butch. Excellent. Okay, well, we're going to do some drawing, and Christina's the expert on the horse. She has a beautiful horse herself. But Grant, you also ride, don't you?
Bikes are more than horses.
So I did a little cartoon.
It's Christina.
I should have. Well, we're going to do Christina, but I just wanted to show you as a cartoon. And now I'm going to start drawing Christina. I've done a little drawing already, because we want to just get stuck in to the sort of, we're going to do light and shade. And Christina, I want you to talk a little bit about your beautiful horse. First of all, the name of the horse, anything like that you can tell me?
My horse's name is Oreo's Odyssey. I only started riding her about towards the end of last year, so around about November. And I haven't really had time to compete because of the amount of schoolwork that I have to do because I'm a matric.
Oh, wow.
And then also due to coronavirus, all the shows have been cancelled, and we've still been waiting for the government to go ahead to when we're allowed to compete.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he's still in lockdown.
Yeah.
I mean, Christina's been riding for many years, so this is a pretty new horse. She obviously started from ponies, but fortunately, as she said, this lockdown has really put a spanner in the works.
So yeah, sorry, Christina.
I've only really started properly riding about this week, because in stages 1 and 2 of lockdown, we weren't allowed to ride, and there was a bit of, I don't know, drama in the riding community, but that's all solved now. But I'm currently competing in the 1 meter classes with Oreo, and my goal this year was to go to 110, but I haven't been able to do that because I don't have enough points to move up to 110.
So 110, for anyone who doesn't know anything about horses, I'm guessing is the height. So 110.
The height of jump, exactly right.
And when you're doing Olympic style, which I'm sure you'll do one day, what is the Olympic height? What are we talking about?
Very high.
I think it's 160. It's 160. Yeah, 1 meter 60.
Okay.
But it's like you have to have 5 stars, so you have to be a 5-star rider. But in South Africa, we can only go up to 1 star.
Right.
And then overseas, you can go and compete in the 5-star classes.
Okay, and the relationship that you have with the horse, because I'm guessing you have to be a bit of a horse whisperer. Would you call yourself a horse whisperer?
Kind of. I just think I learned over the years how a horse.
So we're talking about horse whispering. Have you seen obviously the movie The Horse Whisperer with Robert Redford? Would you say your dad's that character in the movie, Christina, or you haven't seen the movie yet?
I'm Robert Redford. You spot on. Robert Redford, that's me.
I don't know, does Christina know who Robert Redford is? I think he's...
I don't think she's the film, because I think it came out about 20 years ago. You should watch it. I don't think you've seen it.
I don't know if I've seen it.
Yeah, it came out probably in the 90s, so I don't think she's seen it.
No, actually that's a good... It's an excellent lockdown movie, especially if you're quite horsey.
We're going to find it then, yeah.
Ah, brilliant. Well, I'm glad we're back, and if anyone's noticed, I'm probably a much brighter pink color. And talking of pink, I'm just going to put your complexion on here now. And then, I think did anyone hear that noise? That is, that's someone leaving a message. That's from, Johnny Scott has written in, Robert Redford. I don't know, can you see the messages that are coming in?
No.
I can't. Let me turn it there.
Yeah, now we can.
All right. So now anyone can write in, by the way. So it's a free for all. I'm just coloring in your jacket, and then we're going to do some cartooning at the end. But this time you and Christina are going to join me drawing a foal. We've had a request to draw a foal, and I think your helmet is dark blue as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a navy blue.
A navy
like
blue.
Almost black.
And you look very dapper, I must say, with your smart. I'm
Thank
glad. Sorry. So I'm just going to.
Johnny's message, I hope it was a nice message. I don't have to bring it up with it.
It was. He knows to keep it clean because children are watching.
Good.
And I think you can see your horse developing. What do you think of it so far? Does it look like you're a lovely horse? Oh, thank
Yes,
you.
it does.
Okay, so I'm now just going to add some details, and then we're going to start the art lesson, the real art lesson, and that's you having a go. So I'm just going to do your hair.
This is when I get nervous.
So have you got your pens and paper at the ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to do your background here because we want to get a little bit of sky in here. Let's put that in. Okay. And now I'm going to do some clouds. Clouds are pretty easy. I've just got to press down quite hard. Looks like you're flying in a minute, but I'm just going to put the ground in and some greenery. Okay. So
It's not hard drawing on a screen compared to drawing.
That's a very good question. It is beautiful to work off a screen. It feels amazing, and like Robert Redford, I've been around a long time, and I've always normally drawn on paper and pen, and this just lets me do everything. But I have to confess, spend a long time learning how to use this particular app, which is called Procreate, for anyone who's interested. See, I'm putting the background in now.
Yeah, I see that.
So she's not flying now in the air, but that would be nice. I bet you would love that. A unicorn with wings.
Yeah, that would be quite a lot of fun.
And I'm just going to do a little detail here, which is just so that you're placed. I'm putting a bit of shadow underneath. And now you can see your horse and you going over the jump. So being the perfectionist that I am, I'm just going to make your trousers a bit whiter. Okay, so that's the art lesson using this app Procreate, and it's a little bit techy, but we're going to have a go now, and this is going to be a lot of fun. Let me just get rid of all this. This is going to be a lot of fun because I'm going to make it very easy, but you will be amazed at how good you are. All right? And we had somebody write in wanting wanting a foal, so we're going to do a foal. Okay, let me just make sure everything's in place, and I've got a black pen, and you've got paper and a bold black pen, and then we'll hold it up. Excellent. Okay, so the first thing is that when I'm giving instructions, I'll kind of say an upside down V like that. So all you have to do is copy me. So if you can do an
Okay.
upside down V, and then another upside down V next to each other. I think we could all guess what that is.
The aliens.
Well, I don't think it's too big. Oh, not too big.
No, you're not allowed to start again.
No, I didn't.
And then I'm going to do a much wider sort of upside down U. So big, wide U.
Okay.
And down the side, you want to do a sort of a zigzag. And it could be as rough as you like. Oh, hello, Kimberly, watching from London. Oh, my goodness. How exciting.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
Hello, Kim.
Hi, Kim.
Brilliant. Thanks, Kimberly, for writing in. I hope you've got a pen and paper, Kimberly, and you're drawing too. I'm now going to do the fringe of the horse, same idea.
So it's still the zigzagging.
Still the zigzagging.
Coming over.
And it doesn't have to be
Okay.
exactly like what I'm drawing.
Okay.
Okay.
And now we're just going to do a sort of another wide U like that.
This is actually quite fun.
And then a
Did you hear that, Andy?
yeah, brilliant. Now we've got a flat circle. And we'll do obviously the nostrils. Very good. And then another one. And this is a cartoon, and it's all about getting your confidence and saying, yeah, I can draw. And then we'll do another U, a wide U. U's are my secret weapon, because everyone can follow that. Okay. And then we're going to do another sort of curve, but the other way around.
Right.
Okay.
And another one here. And another one going around the other way. And we're just going to do the tail. I hope everyone's having a go. And people can write in while they're doing this. And then we're just going to do what looks like a bit of a smiley face just there for the belly. And I'm going to keep the legs very simple indeed. So we're just going to go down as sort of a...
I'm doing a tail great out.
And then we've got another long... I hope Johnny's doing this.
I hope so too.
I know my boys aren't doing it because they're not watching. They're playing computer games. Okay. And then we're just so that in art you want to keep a story. When I say a story, you know that a horse has 4 legs, so we've put 4 legs in.
We definitely need 4 legs, right?
I think I just heard my husband shouting from the garden. No, I'm not, which I think means he's not on computer games. And then we're just going to do a little eye and then a circle round the eye. How's that? And a little line across and then maybe a little line here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. And we've got a little cartoon of a horse. And I'm hoping that next time you've got a paper and pen, especially you, Grant, seeing as you used to be an artist. It's never too late to start again.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see your work. Be brave.
Got to sign it.
Oh, wow, brilliant. Well done, everyone. That is fantastic. And signed. Christina, you've got to sign it. Brilliant. And has Buster done one as well? Oh, we got Lisa writing in saying fantastic. Well, thank you so much. And Oh, we never talked about the charity. You were going to say the horse charity, High Felt Horse Care. Is that your charity that you want to represent today?
Yeah. Yes, that's
Brilliant.
the charity I want to represent.
Brilliant. Well, we're going...
So find it on the internet.
Definitely. So we'll
I
put...
don't have their site.
That's right. The video will go out and we'll have a donate button for your charity. So thank you very, very much. And we're gonna wrap it up. And thank you, Christina.
Thank you so much.
And Kimberly says, love it. I'm glad we got over the tech issues as well. Thanks, Internet, for letting us down, but we're back, so that's great. Okay, thank you, and all the very best. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.